Hi guys, and welcome to day number 6 of 21 baby steps to an organized home with the Fly Lady system. Now on day number 6 we are going back to our timers because we are going to do 5 minutes of a room rescue. Now here the Fly Lady means that you get your washroom in your house, put a timer for 5 minutes and just go and do something in that house. If you watched my video on when I was preparing to host in December, I showed you the washroom in my house and it was really worst. Yes, the washroom in our house is our office. I did quite a bit of cleaning, but can you imagine it's back to being just the washroom in the house? So now I want to set a timer for 5 minutes, get into that room, do a bit of cleaning here and there, and boom, we are done. The good thing about the Fly Lady system is that she teaches us to do a little by little every day. So imagine if you just take 5 minutes every day to work on the washroom in your house. By the end of 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, you will have done so much. So that's what I'm about to do. And please, guys, progress, not perfection. When the 5 minutes are over, stop. Stop and move on to something else so that you don't get overwhelmed. That's what I love about the Fly Lady system, is that she gives us permission to stop where we are and move on and go back to it the next day. So now, let me show you the washroom in my house and let's work on it together. So there we have it. In 5 minutes, I was able to just transform this room from the washroom in the house to still the washroom in the house, but slightly cleaner. Yes, there are some 2 corners that I haven't managed to deal with yet, but at least it is looking a lot more presentable. And when 5 minutes reached, I stopped because life has to go on. So I hope you are really just keeping up with these baby steps. And remember, we are also going to go and check on our checklist just to make sure that we are still shining our sink, dressing to shoes, picking out our outfit for tomorrow. What else are we doing? All those things that we're doing. So please remember to keep up with us. If you have not downloaded the checklist, please make sure you do so. I will put a link in the comment section, in the description below. And now, yeah, let's end there. Thanks for watching. Bye.